So you guys, this video is gonna be something crazy, you guys. It's gonna be something crazy. Just to forewarn you, this is not to offend a company or say they make terrible products. It's not to offend anybody that likes this product. It's not none of that. It's just to share my opinion. So the product that I'm talking about is the African Pride Moisture Miracle Coconut Milk and Honey Hydrate and Shine Leave-In Conditioner. And it says to shake to mix. It refreshes and softens natural coils and curls. Now let me tell you guys why I decided to go with this product, to give you a backstory. So I bought the pre-shampoo, the shampoo, the heat activated mask, and this. And I also bought the heat protectant, which I haven't used yet. I thought it was in the same line because it all was lined up the same and they look similar in design. So I was like, let me try. So I picked it up. I knew I wasn't gonna be able to get a refund, but I took a chance, right? I came home, I did my shampoo, and that same day, you guys. So that means that was way later in the day, like 1 p.m. And for me, I don't like to start anytime after 12 with my natural hair because that will literally be dreadful, like literally dreadful. But basically, I saw honey and I thought this was a good product because honey is very moisturizing. And on the back, it says it naturally retains moisture and adds shine, which is what I was looking for, right? Because let me walk you through what led to this and why I got pissed off. So I did the pre-shampoo, which was amazing. That's what aloe vera gel or juice, whatever it was, it worked for my hair. My hair was absolutely moisturized. Then I followed up with the shampoo. It wasn't drying or anything. I did the heat activated mask under the blow dryer. Under my hooded bonnet type of dryer, and that was amazing. After I rinsed it out, it was very soft, moisturized. And then I follow up with this, which is supposed to naturally retain moisture, and it did not do that at all, you guys. I was extremely disappointed, and I wish I could return this product. I wish I never sprayed this on my hair, because if it wasn't for this leave-in, I probably would have had a bomb turnout with like every style. Any style that I did would have been a bomb turnout. But unfortunately, that product was created. Now, this is not the shade people that may like it. Like I said, it just didn't work for my hair. And that's what it's all about is, you know, I'm here to tell you what didn't work for my hair because it may not work for your hair. So you can make a good decision of if you want to purchase things like this. So you can make a decision of if you want to purchase things like this. So my biggest advice to you is to purchase from stores that actually cater to us experimenting with natural hair products, because this journey is not an easy one. We have the good moments and we have bad moments, and the bad moments outshine the good moments sometimes, and we get frustrated with our hair. But I've learned to be more patient with my hair. My hair is bipolar, it's stubborn. Sometimes these products may work. Sometimes I wash my hair and it don't work. I think that has to do with the shampoo that I use. If you constantly switching up and trying up shampoo and conditioner, sometimes that could be a bad. So just keep that in mind. If you got something that works, not saying you shouldn't experiment, but just experiment less. That's my opinion on that, because then you end up with situations like this with this leave-in where it makes your hair dry and brittle and feeling like a Brillo pad. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you smash that like button. Make sure you subscribe to the channel for more videos from Naturally Xandra, and join the family and friendship that I have on this channel. If you look at any of my comments, 99.9%. I ain't gonna even say 98. 99.9% of people on my page are supportive, and I want to keep that going. So yeah, without further ado, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.